Hello friends, welcome to my chemistry channel study guide. Okay, in this video, introduction of sulfonamide. Okay, means in this video, including the part of introduction of sulfonamide, then second, including the mode of action of sulfonamide, then next the overall study of ADME of sulfonamide, and then last the overall study of chemistry of sulfonamide drug. Okay, now start the your first in like introduction of okay, see introduction. It is a class of organic compound that amide and sulfonic acid, some which are the sulfur drug which acts as a powerful inhibitor of the bacterial activity. Some give the example. Okay, means that it is in the first chemotherapeutic agent. It is used for systemically for the prevention of infection. Okay, it is a synthetic antimicrobacterial agent. Okay, it is an synthesis for the first scientist, German scientist. It is known name as Bayer in 1908. Okay, it is a drug that derived from Prontosil. Okay, see the what is a Prontosil? It is a 1935. It is discovered that the red dye. It is called as Prontosil. It is a prodrug. Okay, product. It is acting on in vivo or in vitro, but it is a in vitro. It is a inactive form. But whenever given in vivo, that you will be act like antibacterial action. Okay, but it is no antibacterial action in vitro. Okay, see in that. Then the latter it was discovered the Prontosil. Okay, see the Prontosil. It is a scientist building early the German. It is an prodrug, and then the formation of sulfonamide. Okay, and it is German bacteriologist and pathologist who was awarded in 1939 Nobel Prize in Physiology. Okay, it is an first discovered the Prontosil. Oh, it is also called as prodrug of sulfonamide. Okay, see the chemistry of sulfonamide. In the sulfonamide, there is a para amino group. It is essential for the antibacterial activity. Okay, in this see that there is a para. It is attached benzene ring attached to the amino group. Then another side attached to the sulfonyl ASO2 NH2 group. Okay, it is a clinically used in 1935. Okay, it is the first compound and it is structurally related to para amino benzoic acid. Okay, see the mode of action of sulfonamide. Sulfonamide it is a similar like the PABA. It is a para amino benzoic acid. It is a needed to bacteria for its survivation. Okay, means the survivation. Okay, when the substrate it is a synthesis, it is required for enzyme dihydrofolate synthetase or for the synthesis of tetrahydrofolic acid. Okay, means folic acid, that the folic acid is a synthesis from PABA. It is in the PABA. It is a basic ring containing the pteridine and glutamate. Okay, means all the sulfonamide it is analogous of PABA. Okay, the means it the sulfonamide shows the bacteriostatic activity. Okay, see in the para-aminobenzoic acid and pteridine, it is a enzyme synthetase, then formation of dihydrofolate. Okay, there is a okay, see in the dihydroteric acid, then formation of dihydrofolic acid, dihydrofolate synthetase, then another acting on trimethorphan. It is a another category of sulfonamide. It is acting on dihydrofolate reductase. Okay, this is the overall mode of action of sulfonamide. Okay, see in this is the analogous structure sulfonamide. Okay, like sulfamethoxazole, dihydrofolic acid, trimethorphan means is a more another drug like. And what is the mode of action including. Okay, also sees the structure of this overall of drug. Okay, means it is a means it is a sulfonamide. It is a prodrug of Prontosil. Okay, it is a prodrug from synthesis. Okay, next see that the SAR of sulfonamide. Okay, in the SAR, what is a SAR means it is a structural activity relationship of sulfonamide. Okay, in the benzene ring, second is the amino group of sulfonic group attached to the benzene ring. Okay, and essential for the activity. Okay, then the replacement of aromatic ring in the in between the systemic introduction of additional substitute, and it is decreased or abolish of this activity. Means and whenever the exchange of sulfonyl and another group that will affecting on the activity of the sulfonamide group. Okay, the substituent of aromatic heterocyclic group like n substituent that the yielding of high potent compound means potent compound means it is a minimum concentration, it gives the highest activity of drug. Okay, and see the last part of in your sulfonamide like pharmacokinetic means it is including the overall absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of this drug. Okay, it is including this first, whenever the route of administration is the first sulfonamide are the most of drug used in the oral routine from the upper part like GID, gastrointestinal tract. Okay, see the introduction distribution in the whenever drug in blood, it is cross the CSA, placenta, and it having the plasma protein quantity 20 to 90%. Okay, then is a show see the metabolism. It is a primarily organ of metabolism like liver. Okay, it is a primary metabolism organ is liver. It is a chemical process by acetylation metabolic process. Okay, in this is excretion like kidney, and the kidney including the tubular secretion and glomerulus filtration. Okay, thank you to all.